What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna show you guys how I style my box braids, and they look like anything, to be honest. My parts are huge, but you know, quick little protective style just to have them in. So yeah, I'm gonna show you 6 ways I style my braids. Okay, so the first style I'm showing you is just a regular high ponytail. I tried to talk during me doing the hairstyles, but my voice wasn't loud enough, so yeah, I'm just gonna do a voiceover. But yeah, I just use a fluffy scrunchie, I guess is what I call it, and I make my ponytails like that. So the second hairstyle I'm doing is just a half up, half down, and I just take some pieces from the front and I just put them straight back and put a scrunchie around them and make sure it's all tight and secure. Moving on to number 3, sometimes I will take basically the same pieces I just took but without my sides, and I'll put it straight up into a ponytail, which I wrap around into a bun. When I make my buns, I basically wrap them around how you would do any normal bantu knot. So I took the bun out and just added my scrunchie, the fluffy one, and I'll wear it like this sometimes. So now I'm just showing you guys how I get a high bun, and to be honest, I don't know what number hairstyle I'm on anymore. So just like my other smaller bun, I still use the bantu knot method, and I just twist the braids around themselves and wrap it up into a bun like that. The best way to secure your buns is to make sure all your ends are tucked so that it doesn't go anywhere. Moving on, I make my parts so that I can have a side part. So I will wear my hair, and if I'm lazy, I'll wear my hair in a low ponytail and just let it hang behind me so that's out my face. Another hairstyle I do is 2 buns in the front on each side, and I don't use a scrunchie or anything. I just take them and wrap them around each other, and sometimes the ends tuck weird, so make sure you really tuck your ends because I was super struggling in this video. Okay, so yeah, that's how I wear my box braids, or I'll just wear them down. That's another style, I guess, to be honest. And I make my parts so I can make side parts. I can come over here, or I can come this way. Sometimes I'll wear my hair all the way to the side, all the way, and I'll put all the hair over and rest it on one shoulder, and I'll just rock out like that. But yeah, that's how I style my box braids. I guess I lied. It's 8 styles, but or however many. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe to my channel and stay posted. Let me know what you want me to do next time. Okay, bye guys.